In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to manage your accounts efficiently. If you've ever wondered how to use QuickBooks effectively, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through starting from going to the QuickBooks homepage to viewing your chart of accounts and ultimately opening up your register. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's dive right in by going to QuickBooks. This is your hub where all the magic happens, a powerful financial tool that helps you manage your business finances in one place. You'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply open your web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a range of options and tools at your disposal. It can seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're going to simplify it by focusing on what's important for our task today. Next, once you're on the homepage, let's move on to clicking on the Chart of Accounts. This is an essential feature in QuickBooks because it's essentially your financial command center. It's where all your company's transactions are categorized. To find this, look for the navigation menu on the left side of your screen, and you should see an option that says Chart of Accounts. Give that a click. By accessing this, you are one step closer to organizing your financial data in a way that makes it easy to track and manage. With the Chart of Accounts opened, the next step is to click on View Register. Now, this is important because your register is where each of your accounts is displayed in a spreadsheet format. This is where you get to see the nitty-gritty details of your transactions. Look for the account that you're interested in, and once you've found it, you'll see a link or button that says View Register. Click on it, and there you have it. A complete breakdown of all transactions associated with that account. It's like having a financial diary allowing you to understand where every penny goes and comes from. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily navigate through QuickBooks to view and manage your accounts efficiently. Remember, understanding how to use these features effectively can greatly enhance your ability to keep your business finances in perfect order. QuickBooks is a robust tool that, when used correctly, can provide invaluable insights into your business operations. With just a few clicks, you're well on your way to mastering your financial records. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy accounting!